What's up, Jooba people? This is quite a sad chord progression. It's called God's Creation by Daniel.mp3. I don't know who the person is. It was suggested to me by my friend Oscar. And I wanted to quickly show you the original way. I mean, there is an easier way to play this. But this way is tuned to E flat standard. So everything tuned down a half step, each string. And the key then following that is G sharp minor. Is that? Why is it G sharp? That's the E flat minor. Oh yes, because it's A minor. Okay, yeah, G sharp minor is the key. Never mind. And then the first chord is like this F chord. So this is your easy F. You can do this one, but it's really nice if you add the bass with the thumb here. And then we have an A minor with the pinky here on the third string, and then E minor. Very nice, okay? And then also you can move the F chord up 2 frets to get the chorus progression. And then if you move this up 2 frets, you do a C with the pinky at the bottom. Look at that nice sound. Now the strumming for the song is the hardest part. It's down, 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 up, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down. Now, obviously, he misses a lot of the strings, so you can try missing the third down, going like this. Down, down, up, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. That works nice, but generally just lots of miss strums. All right, 2 chord progressions for the song. The whole way through the first part, he just plays F major 7, 2 bars. E minor, A minor 1 bar, E minor 1 bar. And then we go to the second chord progression, which starts at 1 minute 26 seconds. And we go F, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, G, loops like that, and that's the whole song. Pretty cool, fun song. I love it. Have a nice day, guys. Cool beans. Bye.